of our Lord Jesus Christ, I, Reverend Jeffrey Nakwa, Senior Pastor of Firstborn Christian Fellowship, I now pronounce you husband and wife. What God has put together, let no man separate. Pwede kayo magharap. You may now seal your union with a kiss. Hindi ko nakita eh. Friends, it is my pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Jose Jr. and Patricia Nicole Halmaster. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Congratulations to the newlyweds. At dyan po nagtatapos yung ating ceremony. Maraming salamat po sa cooperation. God bless us all.
Paano yung pagpunta rin sa lirik?